Hi, Jana and Jose. So, now that the two of you are together and you have the wax models, I thought I would make a little video so we could have a virtual conversation about them. I have a few questions first. The biggest question is about the diamond. Jana, when this is on your finger, when you put it on, does the overall appearance look big enough? You have to remember that we are covering this entire flat surface with stones. We'll have the larger cushion cut and the smaller stones. And I'm using prongs so that there's no metal separating. There'll be an outer rim of metal, but to just a glance, it will appear to be one large diamond surface. So that's the first question. The second question is the appearance of the two rings. They're very different ideas. I did two because we talked about several different things, and I wanted to give you some options. This ring, for example, incorporates Jose's request to have a flat back that would be a little bit more comfortable, and it also adds, well, in this case not adding, but takes away that flat surface that we discussed, possibly engraving or something. Now, I can do anything else with this that you want. So that's our second question. Which one generally do you prefer? I should tell you now that there's going to be more editions of this as I decide, well, as you tell me what you think. I'm going to adjust and fix these models and probably recreate more until we get it exactly right. So any imperfections you see in this, please note, and I'll make sure that the next edition doesn't have it. So the final question is the shank here. Is this shank too thin or too thick? Now, this model with the band underneath here, I'm sending it with Jose, but I have to tell you that as a model, I'm not sure if I'm happy with it. What I'm concerned about is this looks like a sweater catcher, pocket catcher. You'll catch it on everything. With the band together, it's probably going to be okay. And in the next edition, this will be a little bit more centered. What I did was I was planning on making this a little thinner and filing away until it appeared to be centered. But I realized as I was working that if I did that, I wouldn't have the support I needed. The other thing to remember with this one is this will be a hollow form here with diamonds on top. You can imagine a very thick plate and hollow underneath with the diamonds all set in that big thick plate. I guess it's easier to imagine it when you look at this. Thick plate, hollow, yeah. I think that pretty much covers it. I'm going to try to make another video for you and see if I can get a good view of the diamond. I'll also take a couple photos with the diamond sitting on these models if I have time. So I think that covers it. I hope you guys are having a great time, and let me know what you think. Thanks.